Just got off the bus from Jers. We're in Midtown Manhattan, and I just got us lost. We're going to the People's Court today. It's gonna be awesome. And there's this cool thing. I just went down an escalator and then came back up to go down it again on video, and it's gone. The fucking thing, we walked around the like a 5-foot perimeter. Yeah, but how do you get there? There it is. Where did that go? All right. Port Authority Terminal. Midtown. Just letting you know what time it is. Roy Rogers in Manhattan. Wants $8.29 for a 2-piece chicken meal. I don't even think they've got fries ready. There's about 7 pieces of chicken, if that are out. It's very windy. Those delicious French fries almost went right off the tray. I haven't been doing Roy's in years. There's no way I was paying $16 for 2 people to eat here. So we went to Nathan's. They've got famous hot dogs.
In other words, that's popular cocks.
Two hours early for People's Court. Found a cool vintage clothing store. I'm about to go to a hat shop. I've always wanted to sit in the middle of the street at a little park bench. Here I am. Imagine?
Alright, I heard you.
So we're at 5th Avenue, 37th Street, 4th Avenue. What? Where the hell am I? I'm in New York City, I don't know where I am.
I'm at 37th Street and 5th Avenue. Right about to go into the People's Court. I'm in the People's Court waiting area.
People's Court.
I know. I don't know if I'm supposed to have this thing. Security didn't take it away. That's fortunate. Well, let's see if I can get some shots from inside.
It's like the original set from like the original walking. They never wanted to get rid of it.
The part of the video you just saw was the stage manager of sorts giving us the lowdown on the courtroom furniture.
Informing us that the furniture in the courtroom is the actual original furniture from the Judge Wapner days of the People's Court.
Studio, we're here. The People's Court, a place for the people. I've been told that this is all the original furniture from the Wapner days. Featuring Doug Llewellyn. In case you're wondering who Doug Llewellyn is, whom I just referenced, Doug Llewellyn was the guy in the hallway that interviews you after your case is finished. From the Wapner days.
And if you guys have cameras and you want to take pictures, you can take pictures after the show.
So much for that whole pictures after the show thing.
3 or 4 cases every now and then. You might get more than 4 in the afternoon, but not like.
The courtroom, as it were, is noticeably smaller than it looks on television. And
I like that.
judge's chambers over yonder, the infamous board.
Yeah, me too. My mom. Like my father.
While I was there, they had to finish the taping of a verdict from a prior case.
So I decided to be rather sneaky with my flip cam.
Your representative, your surrogate, and then have you go sue them again. Can you imagine how unfair that would be? 5 days to provide me with anything you want to provide me with. Is someone's going to lose their job with Allstate, because if that's the case, they can't take the money from yourself, okay?
So the logical lowdown when it comes to the People's Court is that what I've found is that
The person who is responsible for paying the monies as part of the judgment in the case actually isn't responsible for paying anything at all. The money is actually paid by a fund through the People's Court itself.
yes,
That's the big draw. That's how they get people to bring their cases to the People's Court.
the People's Court.
Back on the street, just came from the infamous People's Court. Yay! And
Woman probably telling us it.
So, if you've got a court case, that's...
So if you've what I've these paid are actually paid is